In this video, learn how to auto-post on Planoly's web dashboard. Before we get started, here's a few important things to note. In order to auto-post, you must have a linked Instagram business account to Planoly. Personal and creator accounts are not eligible to auto-post at this time. Planoly pro tip: did you know it's free to switch your personal or creator account to an Instagram business account? You can make this change directly in your Instagram account settings. Due to Instagram limitations, you must also authenticate your Instagram business account with a Facebook business page before you can auto-post. Carousel posts and Instagram stories are not eligible for auto-posting at this time. To auto-post your content, first enable your Instagram account to auto-post. From the top right of your screen, click here and then select My Profile. Scroll down to your Manage Social Accounts and toggle on Instagram Auto Post. Planoly pro tip: paid Planoly users can also auto post their Instagram post to their Facebook page and Twitter account with our Edit and Share feature. You've now enabled your account to auto post. Now let's get your content scheduled and auto-posted. Click on your unscheduled post in your Planoly grid. Please note, free Planoly users can auto-post single image post, while paid Planoly users can auto-post single image, video, and GIF grid post. Now choose any date and time you wish to schedule your post. Toggle on this to auto-post to Instagram. If you're a paid Planoly user, toggle on both of these if you wish to share this post to Facebook and Twitter. Once you have made all of your changes, click Save. A blue S with a paper plane icon will appear, indicating that your post is set to auto-post. We'll send you a push notification on your mobile app as a reminder when your post goes live. There you have it! You now know how to auto-post on Planoly's web dashboard. To learn more about IG Planner, visit Planoly Academy at pages.planoly.com/academy.